Hey guys, so we're trying to look for sign makers. Oh, yeah, look.
Excuse me, girl.
It's me.
You gotta use your manners.
Show the ground looks that way they don't see us. So let's show. Okay, we're gonna show our ground because there's like a secret location where they're. Okay, I'm just trying to look. So I'm gonna be kind of quiet because we're trying to look. So I'm not gonna talk.
Take a left.
So we were looking at
Wait, check right over there.
Okay, there'd probably be like some like hidden in the store. Okay, they're gonna be like hidden somewhere. So oh my god, there's Mr. Beast Bar! Wait, Mr. Beast Bar! Oh, they're actually not that much. Wow. Cassie, wait.
Go up there and look, and I'll look over here.
I'm gonna look there. We're gonna see if it smells like it. So like candy. Wherever there's candy.
Is it these? Maybe I'll get you each one of these too.
No. No. That's Joe.
Right, there's slimy liquor squeeze.
You know what? We got those before and they were terrible.
Okay, keep looking, girls. They got it somewhere.
Okay, guys, we're gonna come back when I find it. I still can't find them, but we're going on like a sign that we're skipping, I guess. So we're still gonna look. Okay. Guys, so we asked the worker, and they make us do like a workout. They think we had to go all the way down. They say like like something about belts or something. No, we had to go all the way down there and all the way down. Okay, it might be. So we're gonna go to the actual candy aisle. So we're gonna look there. This is milk chocolate. Guys, so we found like this. We're probably gonna try them. There's no chocolate in here. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna try this one. And yeah.
Wait, let's say go over here. So mine will be on this side.
And
then so that's your side. And then like we're splitting these. So then we'll put the there for splitting.
okay, so this is my stuff, this is Cassidy's stuff.
Yep, we're splitting these, don't worry, I'm not getting involved with that.
Yeah, true. And then
There's a few of these, so
there's a toxic waste here, I guess. But yeah.
I call the blue raspberry.
I don't buy
here.
the toxic.
I call the blue raspberry.
I think
one
I'm
here.
Okay.
Then, so yeah, bye guys.
This is milk chocolate.
Guys, so we found like this. We're probably gonna try them. There's no chocolate in here. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one. And yeah.
Wait, let's say go over here. So mine will be on this side.
And
then so that's your side. And then like we're splitting these. So then we'll put the there for splitting.
okay, so this is my stuff, this is Cassidy's stuff.
Yep, we're splitting these, don't worry, I'm not getting involved with that.
Yeah, true. And then
There's a few of these, so
there's a toxic waste here, I guess. But yeah.
I call the blue raspberry.
I don't buy
here.
the toxic.
I call the blue raspberry.
I think
one
I'm
here.
Guys, I think we're gonna go to a new store. It's like we can't find any. So, yeah, we probably just gotta go to a new store. So yeah. We still got some good stuff, but we're gonna look. We're gonna look a little bit more. If we can't find anything, we're gonna go to Five Below. So I'll just go. Yeah. I'm just gonna look. So yeah.